Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Silvercrest electric massager. It is a personal care device, relaxes and loosens muscles. 5 modes to deeply penetrate the skin tissue. 5 interchangeable massage heads. Soft touch handle for safe and comfortable use. 5 intensity levels, 20 watt and 3 years warranty. Well, nice of that. Let's open it to see what we have inside, how we can use it, massage myself, and see how it can relax me. And of course the manual, as usual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. And we've got in this bag, we can have all these accessories at the back. Nice, I like it. Cable, it is about 2 meters, very convenient. We need a long enough cable to work this unit. Soft touch handle, nice, it feels very nice to my hand. We've got the LED power indicator, the M button mode selection. We've got the button decrease and increase for power level, and of course the on-off button. And at the front, already installed, we've got the massage attachment semi-sphere. Unscrew that, and you can install the massage attachment one head point. Very easy. And the same you can do with all the other attachment. Massage attachment curved. We've got the massage attachment 3 points head, and at the front we've got some soft rubber. Yep, nice. We've got the massage attachment 3-point intensive, and with a soft rubber at the front, you can see. Beautiful. Well, let's power it on. Press and hold to turn on. We've got the green light, the 5 mode, third mode, 4 mode, faster, and 5th mode. And again, first mode. And decreasing, increasing. 5 levels. Next mode. Decreasing. Third mode that was. 4 mode. 5th mode, and all that it is in high level. Decreasing. Second, third, 4, 5. 5 intensity levels. Perfect. And press and off. Automatic switch off after approximately 20 minutes. And of course you can use it on your shoulders, neck, back, arms, thighs and lower legs. Well, let's do that. Now let's try it. Press, hold, turn on. Ooh. Nice. Changing mode. Increasing. Now let's change in this attachment. Nice, I can say it feels very nice. Okay. Of course, each attachment it is for different area. Oh, feels nice. Maximum. Now let's try on my legs. You can replace with other attachment. Again, we've got rubber here at the base. Oh, oh definitely feels nice. Ooh. Increasing. This is the highest. Well guys, I think it is a great massager tool. Definitely is doing a great job, relaxing. Massage yourself after a hard day at work or at the gym. Massage your muscle, relaxing. Choose one of the 5 attachments. Lay down. Choose the right intensity level, one of the 5 modes, and relax yourself. Thighs, arm, back, neck. It is your choice in which area you want. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. It's so easy. Share this video, you never know who will need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.